Hey crafty friends, it's Alyssa with Crafting at Cope, and I'm on today with a Michael's haul. And I've been doing a lot of hauls lately, but really I've had this stuff sitting around forever, some of it, because I kind of have been a little sidetracked and busy with life and all the things. So I'm trying to get caught up on videos. So I have a Michael's haul, and it's just a mixture. But of course, I found some strawberry shortcake items. They have a whole bunch of fun strawberry shortcake things. And I grabbed this cute little 4-in-1 kit. And what it is two diamond painting or two diamond art sets and then two canvases to paint. And I thought these would be super cute even as like card fronts or journal covers. So I grabbed that. I'm such a sucker. I can't say no to the strawberry shortcake. I just can't. And then I need another journal, but I found this cute little strawberry shortcake journal. It is adorable, and it has this cute little strawberry pen. Let's see. I like to save all this little packaging because I can use it. Let me see if I can get this open nicely. Cut the back because the back is not pretty. It's just writing. Okay. It is just so cute. Oh, it has stickers too. Oh, sweet thoughts. That is so darling. Adorable. They have so many cute things. A lot of like crafty kits. Oh, my pen loop is broken. I could probably fix that. All right, so pay attention to your pen loop. I think there's other strawberry shortcake things in here, but I did find a couple of things on clearance from Valentine's Day, which I picked up. So this little bow wax seal. I don't love these kinds of waxes, but I do love this little bow wax seal, and it was like, I don't know how many % off. And then there's the little love letter. So the handles are cute. There's some little bits to add, and then these are the I think these are the wax where it's like has a wick on it. Yeah, I don't love those, but I might just re-gift those. And I have a donation box all the time for a crafty thrift store by me, so I'll probably just put those in there. I did find some napkins, and I thought they were so cute. These are little library card napkins, and I thought these would be fun to make pockets for junk journals or for journals because they have this little library card. And then I found these fun lemon ones, and I've told you guys before, I decorate like my kitchen in lemons in the summer. Excuse me, though I'm kind of debating switching it to strawberries this year, but I have so much lemon stuff, and I do love the brightness of it all. And then these little lemon napkins I love with the blue, and then there's gold foiling. And then these little monstera leaves reminded me of Erin at Coopsplacecrafts, so I picked them up to see if she already got them. And if she didn't, then I will pass those on to her. And I did get a lot of napkins, I'm not gonna lie. So these little bunny napkins are so cute, and they come in 5 different colors. I love the little shaped napkins. And then again, I love the plaid colors for Easter. And then this one is scalloped with gold at the bottom. So I thought those were super cute. And then I like to make those little gumball machines with the little plastic ornament on top, and then I use these little snack cups. And it's hard to find snack cups where the design isn't, because you have to flip it upside down to make it, where the design isn't upside down. So I thought these would be cute for Easter or anytime, because they're just pink and I can decorate them. And then I did get this strawberry shortcake sticker book, which I just found the Rainbow Bright one on Amazon. And they had Hello Kitty, Strawberry Shortcake, and Care Bears, I believe. They had so much like retro Care Bears, Strawberry Shortcake, and Hello Kitty stuff. But this book is fabulous. I loved the Rainbow Bright one. because it has like so many different, like it has bigger stickers and then some smaller ones. And like, I love that it has so many different fun stickers. So I was super excited to find this. And I did have like rewards dollars and like a coupon. I also saw Erin at Coopsplacecrafts get these, the little roller skates. They're so cute, and I love that they're pastel with like this foiling. And I've done this before. Like, I've bought beads in the garland section for Christmas. So I bought this strand of beads in the Easter section, and it's supposed to be a bead garland, but it has these big fun like raspberry beads on it, and the holes look like I could put them on a pokey tool, maybe a beaded pen, but it's a lot of beads for the price, and they were on sale. So I grabbed this big huge garland of these chunky pink beads to add to my bead stash. And then these little hearts were on clearance. I can't even read. Their price tags always are horrible at my store. It's like they put a pink price tag on there, and then you really have to like study it. But it had all these cute little rhinestone hearts, and I thought these little rhinestone hearts would match the little rhinestone beadable pens that I just got. So I thought they would be super cute for a little charm to add onto there. And then I just saw this little snail, and I don't know, I just thought it was cute, so I grabbed it. Snails are like gross in real life, but they're so cute when they're cartoony. I don't know why. I don't know. And then I got this Valentine's Day. It's like little heart pearl. I don't know. It's like stickers. Let's see. Yeah, it's a sticker roll, and it's all these little white pearls, and it was in the Valentine, so it was $3.99, and then I don't know if it was like 60 or 70 off. I can't remember. And then I did get 2 pads of paper, which I don't need, but I grabbed them because, let me make sure there's nothing else in this bag. I grabbed them because I thought these would make really cute like book journals that I could sell at the craft fair. So it has all these fun like bookish vibes, like from the library of cards, and cute little book vibes only, little books. I thought I could make little book journals, and it says book club babe. I thought I could make little book journals to sell in my craft fair. Read the room. They're just so cute. So I grabbed that because these were, I want to say they were on sale for $4.99. And then I got the Wildflower Cottage, mostly because I loved the strawberry paper. So I do like these swans. It's just such pretty colors with gold foiling. I love this paper with the strawberries. And there's purples and just such cute little cut aparts. Just such pretty colors with gold foiling. Like, look at this. This goose here reminds me of my mom's kitchen when I was growing up. She totally had the geese everywhere. I just love the strawberry paper. So I got that. And I do not need any more paper, and then the last thing I got was this pack of little white favor bags. And I thought these would be super cute to make tiny loaded pockets or loaded bags. And then they're white, so I can also decorate them when I make crafty projects or whatever. So that is what I got from Michael's. They do have a lot of Christmas clearance at my store too, but I can't do it. I could barely even look at the Valentine's Day. But they started grab boxes at my Michael's, so Christmas is all going into grab boxes. And then they have some Valentines left at my store. I want to say it was 70% off. And then they put out a lot of fun spring and Easter things, most of which I didn't need. So thanks so much for stopping by, everyone. I hope you have a good day.